What you saw is one of the several trending videos on social media, particularly showing that people, the young people, were celebrating the death of Nigeria's former president, Muhammadu Buhari. But let not get it twisted. These young children are not celebrating the death of Buhari. What they are doing is expression of their anger on the APC administration that has destroyed Nigeria since 2015. I do not think they have any personal hatred towards Buhari. So what they are protesting in that video, what they are celebrating as a form of protest, is the failure of APC to address their problems. It is a reminder of the hardship that the APC administration that was led by Muhammadu Buhari for 8 years between 2015 and 2023, when he passed the baton to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So what people are seeing as seemingly celebrating the death of a former leader is actually a pass of vote of no confidence on the APC administration. And it validates what has been said by people like Malam Nasir El-Rufai, when he said recently that opinion poll that they conducted internally by the coalition against the re-election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they found out that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has disapproval rate of 93% in most part of Nigeria. And that even in the southwest, where Tinubu hails from, in Lagos, a city, a state that he governed and still governs indirectly, that he has 78% disapproval rate. That was an indication of a nationwide detest for the APC, for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the APC in general. No government can survive that level of disapproval rate unless that government is going to violate the will of the people by rigging the election. The situation in Nigeria caused by the APC is deep. Now, if these children are seemingly celebrating the death of Buhari, who inflicted less pain compared to Tinubu, you can imagine what they think about Tinubu himself and the APC. Because these children are children that have been left and their families have been handicapped by the APC administration in the last 12 years or so. Poverty has increased to the level nobody has ever seen in Nigeria's history. Killings have increased to the level nobody has ever seen in Nigeria, except during the Civil War. Insecurity has gotten worse than ever. The Nigerian currency, the Naira, is one of the world's worst performing currencies in the world. So there is a lot of things so wrong with the APC that Nigerian people cannot wait to see them leave their sorrow villa. What these young kids were doing is not that they love the man that he died, no. It is a protest against APC. It is a protest against the continuation of poverty, the continuation of insecurity, continuation of killings, continuation of corruption, unprecedented in our history. So these are some of the things that these children were protesting. Those are the things they were against. It's not about the man, it's about the party, it's about the ruling class, the APC that are in charge today, that they have failed them. It's not that these children lack empathy for the family of Buhari who lost their loved one. It is not so. That's not my thinking. That's not my take on it. It is, they are protesting their hardship. They are protesting against a party that they believe inflicted hardship on them. Okay? And to show you that this is a sign of what APC will receive in the coming election, Tinubu himself is running a government as the offshore of the Buhari government. Remember that when Tinubu was campaigning, he said he's going to build on the foundation that Buhari left behind. Well, that foundation that Buhari left behind is what these children, these youths, are protesting against. And if they are protesting against it, after hearing the death of the former leader, you can imagine what they are thinking about those who are leading them today and who are in charge today. It means that they are seeing them as no different from Buhari. And that this is instructive because look at it. Muhammad Buhari is known for his 12 million votes. Every election, at least he gets 12 million votes from northern Nigeria. So he is entrenched as a leader in that region. So if he died, and people are protesting like this, what does that tell you? People are celebrating, are seemingly celebrating. What does that tell you? It tells you that what happened to this country by the APC is so deep that they have to forget all the years they were literally treating Buhari like a demigod, to now that they see him as part of the problem of the country, and that his death was celebrating. It's a message to the APC that they have lost it, that the people's faith in them is gone. And it's also a message to somebody like Kwankwaso, the presidential candidate of the New Nigerian People's Party, NPP, in the 2023 presidential election, who is being wooed by the APC to join them because Tinubu is looking to get a piece of the 5 million registered voters in Kano. It is a reminder to Kwankwaso to note, because part of this protest alarm happened also in Kano. It's an indication that APC has become a pariah, that he shouldn't associate with them, that he shouldn't give them the spark they are looking for to be able to get the votes that are dwindling all over Nigeria. That's the message I think these youths are also passing to those APC, those of them like one person who are still sitting on the fence on whether to join the coalition against Tinubu or to join Tinubu in returning back to power in 2027. That the people of northern Nigeria, they have, by that, what we witnessed in several of these videos that have been trending everywhere, people celebrating, the young ones celebrating, that it is a message of a celebration of the date of APC. That they believe that with the date of Buhari, APC is dead. That is the message. It's not that they are celebrating, that they are happy that an elder statesman like Buhari died. No. It is that APC is dead. That's what they are celebrating. That's my take. I don't know what to talk about, what to think about this, but whatever is your position on this seeming celebration of youth in parts of northern Nigeria following the death of Buhari, whatever is your opinion on that, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.